Baby bath shopping gets weird fast. Every tub claims it'll simplify bath time. Here's the best baby bathtub setup. 3 main picks, no extra tools. Quick answer, Fisher-Price 4in1 is the roomy default, the first years go smaller, and Angelcare skips the basin. No bath setup does everything. Pick by space, cleaning, growth, and daily effort. For most homes, I'd start with the Fisher-Price 4in1 Sling and seat tub. Buy it if you want one dedicated basin that moves from tiny newborn baths to older infant splashing without making the routine feel precious. The big win is room. There's space to work, rinse, and not feel like you're bathing a baby in a puzzle box. The trade-off is also room. It's bulky to stash, awkward in small sinks, and the seat can make the drain plug less pleasant to reach. Skip it if your bathroom or storage is already maxed out. If the Fisher-Price feels like too much tub, look at the first year's Sure Comfort Deluxe. This is the molded basin choice for parents who still want a real baby tub, just lighter and easier to handle. It's a nice middle path when sink bathing feels too flimsy, but a giant basin feels annoying. The catch is longevity and cleanup. The smaller inside can get tight sooner, the soap area adds little corners to wipe, and there's no hanging hook. Skip it if you want maximum growing room. For parents who don't want a full tub at all, the Angelcare Baby Bath Support is the cleanest route. It sits in a bathtub or a large enough sink, then rinses off and stores fast. That means less draining, less basin scrubbing, and less baby gear taking over the bathroom. But it's a support, not a tub. It doesn't hold its own water, it gives you one reclined position, and fit matters. Skip it if your sink can't handle a roughly 23 inch support, or kneeling by the tub sounds miserable. Quick split. Most families with storage, Fisher-Price 4in1. Want a smaller dedicated basin, the first year's Sure Comfort Deluxe. Want less tub to clean and store, Angelcare Baby Bath Support. No extra tools are needed here, the real setup choice is basin size versus simple support. Before you buy, picture where bath time actually happens. Check sink fit, drying space, and where the wet tub goes afterward. Smooth surfaces are easier to wipe, bigger basins last longer, and every option still needs your hands, eyes, and full attention. So if you're unsure, start with the Fisher-Price 4in1, it's the roomy, flexible default. Go the first years if bulk bugs you more. Go Angelcare if you want the simplest rinse and store setup. Links are in the description.